Welcome guys, look at that, a happy new year. So this is how we're kicking it off. Ready? So we have our salt and pepper, our bami soaking in some herb, coconut, all that good stuff. We have our onion and garlic powder mixture. We have some silver snapper but in the baby version. So we're gonna get on with the bami, guys.
So we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna start cut up the bami, because we're going to do some bami sticks, guys. So we'll put them for soak off camera. So you know, some herb coconut. So we're going to cut them.
And guys, these bamis are some really good bamis. They soak really fast, so you want to do this on a quick pace, right?
And these are homemade, guys.
Yes. Look at that. Beautiful. Set that aside, right?
Pot over there so well hot, guys. So we're going to get on with the frying. So let's forward and watch what go.
One go. Yes, guys, in with the bamis, as we say. One go. Look at that. Nice and beautiful. And guys, we just want to fry these bami sticks until they're nice and golden. So keep your eyes on it if that's what you have to do. Nice and golden, that's what we're working to achieve.
And the reason why we're frying the bami first, guys, is because we're going to use the same oil to fry the fish. And you know, so we don't want the fish fry first and then the bami, the flavor of the fish take on to the bami.
Yes,
so.
guys, so hence the reason why we fry the bamis first. Alright guys, so we're going to come back when we're giving these a check or a removal. So forward. Yes guys, it's that time again, so we're going to give these a turn. Look at that, nice and golden, beautiful, right? So you don't know, next time you guys will be seeing us is when we're going to remove all of these bami sticks. And don't watch how you see them sticking up now. We know how to fix that later on, right? And remember guys, leave it down below in the comment section and tell us what videos you want to see for the new year. This year we want to be creative and innovative for you guys. So hey, leave it down there. We might just do it, right? So we'll so forward. Yes guys, and these are ready for removal. Look at that, nice and golden. Yes guys, so we're gonna get on with the fish. So don't go nowhere. We're so forward. Beautiful. Beautiful, so forward. Alright guys, back again with the baby silver snapper. We're just going to season this with some salt and pepper. You don't know?
Remember to season from high so it's evenly spread.
Yes guys. Turn over and repeat.
And all this need is just a little salt and pepper, garlic and onion powder. Or if you have the fresh garlic, it's even better.
Yes guys. Turn over and repeat once again. Get it up in there. Rub it up. Yes guys, so I don't know when to catch a drift. We're catching it back again when we're allowing these to fry so forward. Yes guys, the oil is roaring hot, so we're going to add these fish and allow it to fry. Everything nice and golden, right? Alright guys, we're going to allow these to fry nice and golden. So we're so forward. Alright guys, we are back at it again and it's time for a turn. Look at that, beautiful, right? Nice and golden. Yes guys, lovely. So next time you guys see us, it's removal time, so we move forward again. Yes guys, look at that, it's that time, so it's time for removal. So what you going to do for me? Ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section. Let's go. Yes guys, look at that, something different, right? Yes, guys, and this is our escovitch fish with bami sticks, right? Beautiful. Remember, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Leave your thoughts and views in the comment section, video suggestion, and all that good stuff.
Yeah, guys, so this is what I go on, and you know how she left all the ripe planting right there. You're so nice nowhere else. So until next time,
Bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?